Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have another YouTube tutorial for you and a new feature to talk about and I'm pretty excited about. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to be talking about the Super Thanks feature that's new on YouTube. They've been slowly rolling this feature out and more channels are getting it, which is really cool. And if you are familiar with live streaming, and you're familiar with the super chat function, where during a live stream you can do the super chat, and then what you'll do is like you donate a certain amount of money, and then your chat, whatever question or whatever comment that you had, gets highlighted. And so the super thanks button or feature, you can do that on normal videos now, which is similar to that. So it's essentially like a tip jar. So it's another way for YouTubers to earn more money with their videos, and it's a way for fans of the show, fans of your YouTube channels. It's an opportunity for them to help support you if they like your videos, if they like your channel. It's just yet another way that they can help support your channel. So it's really cool little feature. Just the easiest way to think about it is like a tip jar. You can give your favorite creators tips, so to speak. And so like I mentioned, this has it's a pretty new feature, so it hasn't been too long. The YouTube creators channel just put out a new video about it just a couple of days ago. And I have enabled it on my channel, both my channels, my cooking channel and this channel. Pretty neat. And so I'm just going to talk about the eligibility requirements for it right now. And then I'm going to demonstrate how to do it on both the mobile and then on the desktop. Okay, so here are the eligibility. Super Thanks, eligibility, availability, and policies. Super Thanks, formerly known as viewer applause, lets creators earn a new source of revenue and connect with viewers who want to show extra gratitude for their content. So like a tip jar. Viewers can buy a fun animation called Super Thanks on a video page. The one-time animation will be shown only to the purchaser over the top of the video. As an added bonus, purchasers will also get to post a distinct, colorful, and customizable comment in the video's comments section. And then eligibility for channels. You just have to have the following criteria here. Your channel has to be monetized. You're in one of the available locations. You're not a music channel under SRAV. Okay? And then to check to see if you have access yet, so like I said, they're slowly rolling it out to channels. Just come over here to your YouTube Studio. This is on my cooking page in the Kitchen with Matt. And go down to monetization. And up here look, there's supers. That talks about the super chats. Just click on supers. And then over here in the right hand corner, there's super chat, super stickers, and then super thanks. Just toggle that on. And then once you do, if we go to one of my videos down here, this is on the desktop, you'll see the thanks or the super thanks button right there. It's just a heart with a $sign in it. Okay? And then so if you want to do this on your mobile, here I am on my mobile, and then you're just going to use your finger and slide this over right next to the thumbs up. Just slide that over and then you'll find it right there. And then you could do it on the mobile and find it on your mobile. So there you go. That's really cool. Okay, and then I'm going to demonstrate one. Here I am over on my friend's channel. This is the Fab Forums. His name is Kyle Voss. He's a buddy of mine. We grew up together in California. Really cool dude. Really cool channel if you like cars and custom fabrication and things like that. Make sure to follow him out. So I'm going to do a little super thanks for him and just test this out. I'm going to give him $10. And you can write a customized message here, testing out the super thanks feature. Love your channel, buddy. And then I'm just going to you just hit buy and send. And then it brings up how you want to pay for it. And there's a little animation right there. And then if we go down here to the comments section, you can see my comment with the highlighted dollar amount and then just the comment that I made. Pretty cool. Well, there you go. That is the super thanks feature that YouTube has rolled out, slowly rolling out. Check your channel, see if you have it. Really cool little feature, great way for your subscribers and your followers and just anyone that likes your videos and channel to help support the channel and help support you out. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out my cooking channel, In the Kitchen with Matt, if you like food and recipes. Until next time, take care, everyone.